Have you got room in your backpack for this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Got how much it costs in AUD. I was looking in US. See, that's just how serious I am about this channel. It's time for an upgrade. From now on, you're about to hear an audio from the Rode VideoMic Pro Plus. Right now I'm using a Rode VideoMicro. Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1. It is so cold and so windy. I don't want to be outside today. Okay guys, sorry for a terrible audio experience. I'm currently shooting on an iPhone 8. I was having problem with my new Rode VideoMic Pro Plus. This guy right here. It won't turn on and off with the camera, and I just went to test this out with another camera. Does studying physics make me smarter than the rest of the population? No, and here's a proof. See? So this is my Sony a7 III. This is my main camera for vlogging. It's been for the past few weeks now. And this is where I've been plugging in my external microphone. I've been using the little Rode here, and I thought that the audio quality was terrible because it's just a tiny little mic. And never before I thought of opening this panel. This is where the microphone should go. Here we go again. Look. Camera on. The mic comes on. Camera off. Takes some time, but the mic does go off. And that concludes our video. Goodbye. Right now you are hearing an audio from the internal microphone of the Sony a7 III. And here's a few seconds of an awkward silence, just so you can hear the background noise. And now I'm gonna switch to the Rode VideoMic Pro Plus. 3, 2, 1. And now you're hearing an audio from the Rode VideoMic Pro. How does it sound? Just to complete the test, here's the sound from the VideoMicro. And we're back. Now you're hearing an audio from the Rode VideoMicro.